We knew our fulfillment cycle had bottlenecks, but we didn't know which ones were actually costing us money. We used BizQuery AI to run a surgical audit, comparing shipment delays against regional cost baselines. In seconds, the AI scanned thousands of records across the Northeast, South, and West. Look at the result. It didn't just find the 5 longest delays, it performed the temporal math and the financial benchmarking simultaneously. For client 758, we see a 27-day delay combined with a cost variance that is higher than the regional baseline. That's an immediate red flag for our ops team. The time to ship column isolates our worst fulfillment bottlenecks. Instead of just looking at dates, BizQuery calculates the delta instantly, showing us exactly where the chain is broken. The individual customer cost variance represents the financial fingerprint of each customer. It tells us the actual dollar amount we spent above our baseline for this specific order. The regional average cost variance is where the AI brain shines. It dynamically establishes a baseline for every region, allowing us to see if a customer's costs are an isolated incident or the regional norm. The binary flag column, is cost variance higher than regional baseline, is our executive summary. It tells management exactly which logistical failures are translating into regional profit leaks. In this case study, we demonstrate the ability of BizQuery AI to perform a multi-dimensional efficiency versus cost audit. By asking a single natural language question, we move from raw date stamps to a prioritized list of accounts where logistical delays may be driving unsustainable costs. The AI identifies that the maximum time to ship across the entire organization is 28 days. More importantly, it performs a real-time comparison against a regional average cost variance, distinguishing between customers who are simply slow to ship and those who are also financially draining the region.